this video, let us see the various options present in the Help tab in the MS Excel included in MS Office 2021. The MS Excel Help tab gives access to Microsoft support. This tab provides quick access to the Help task pane and allows you to send feedback, suggest a feature to the community, and get quick access to training videos. The Excel Help articles can show the answers to your questions, offer tips, and provide help for all of Excel's features. Let us see how to do this. Click the Help tab and click the Help button. This will display the Help task pane. This can also be displayed by pressing F1. Now, type a help topic and click the search button. For example, let us search for how to add a chart in Excel. It will display various options related to the topic like articles and videos by Microsoft, etc. Now, select the article that you find relevant. It will show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Help in Office is online and requires a connection to the internet. The other options on the Help group are as follows. Contact Support displays the Help task pane, allowing you to request help. There is a feedback button which allows us to provide feedback on the application, suggest improvements, or report issues. Another interesting tool in the Help group is Show Training. When you click on it, it will display various options on video training, like Quick Start video, Rows and Columns video, Formulas and Functions video, How to make tables and charts, and many more videos. You can select a topic and take help from these videos. If you can't find what you're looking for in the list of videos, you can type the topic in the search pane also. The MS Excel community is a place where you can learn more about how to do something with Excel, discuss your work, and connect with experts that build and use the product. When you click on Community, it opens a browser which displays the Excel homepage. It shows your community for how-to discussions and sharing best practices on Microsoft Excel. The Excel blog option opens a browser displaying the Excel blog. You can subscribe to the Excel blog to get the latest product announcements and updates. You can give feedback to the community by clicking on Suggest a Feature option. If you look at the ribbon, you will notice a tab that says, Tell me what you want to do. You can use this tab to enter keywords and phrases on which you want to get help. For example, if you want to insert a chart, you can type chart in the Tell Me box. As you type your query, Excel provides real-time suggestions and results based on the keywords you entered. The suggestions may include commands, functions, features, or help topics that match your query. Once you find the desired command in the Tell Me suggestions, you can click on it to directly access the corresponding feature within Excel. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.